Hey guys, we finally got one of the new Screamin Eagle Pro Street Tuners. We're gonna do a little unboxing video and kind of show you what it's all about, right? I don't think they sent us one.
Oh no.
Has anyone seen the tuner for this at all? Anyone? Anyone?
Oh.
Here it is. So as most of you guys remember, the other one was actually a lot larger. So this is just our little tiny guy here, plugs directly into the bike. And the nice thing about it, it does have a auto tune feature. So as long as you got your factory O2 sensors in the bike, you plug this bad boy in and it gives you live data as you're riding the motorcycle, and it will actually give you suggestions on what to update and change. So this is good if you're just doing your regular, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, your 131s, your 135s, anything you want to do, go big, right? This little guy right here will do it all for you. So it's got preloaded calibrations in there to get all of your basic stuff, but also if you want to do some more fine tuning, there is a cable kit that you can purchase with this and allows you to hook up to your actual laptop itself, and you can do a little bit more fine tuning aspects to some of that. So this tuner is actually Bluetooth compatible, so it hooks right up to your smartphone. You do all of your tuning, all of your calibrations directly from that. If you are looking to do a little bit more serious tuning, you want to go above that, there is a cable that you can purchase attaches to this, which will connect directly to your laptop, and you can do some fine tuning with that and get a little bit of extra power out of your bike there for you.
Yeah.
This fits 21 and later Softail, Touring, and Trike. Does not affect any of your warranty. It is warranty compliant. Made by Harley-Davidson, the awesome Screamin Eagle brand. Come check it out, guys.